So, Shiba Inu, when is it going to end? I'm going to explain to you what I mean by that in this video very quickly. Right now, we've got a situation playing out where the overall markets are down, SHIB's down. And so, what do I mean specifically about when is it going to end? Now, I'm of course not talking about the fact of when is the demise of Shiba Inu or anything like that. I mean, come on, let's call it what it is. Shiba Inu is a $15 billion market cap project. It's not going away tomorrow. It's not going away next month or next year. It is here to stay. Yeah. Okay. Now, you guys know I'm definitely part of the SHIB army. I've been covering Shiba Inu now since pretty much every day for the last 3+ years. My channel has actually been built with you guys. So thank you very much for your support. Okay. So I'm not talking about when is Shiba Inu going to end. What I'm talking about is the bad blood in the water, so to speak, whatever kind of visual metaphor works for you. I'm talking about when are we going to get rid of all this kind of back and forth, down 4%, up 1% the next day, all that kind of stuff. I mean, SHIB, by the way, has had a great run. Let me show you this. It's better portrayed in this picture right here. From this momentum up, a buy alert there to that right there. That's a 249% move up in only 54 days. Now, after that buy alert has been, that sell alert, it's been that kind of day. After that sell alert, we've moved down about 34%. Okay. And so, by the way, this buy and sell alert right here, if you haven't heard, I talk about it in every video. Why? Because it's that important. Is my software X1 Algo. It's a trading indicator software that you can get 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. There's a discount code down there, cost you $1 a day. But more importantly, here's what it does. Okay. Alerts issued buy, you get an alert sent to your phone says time to buy SHIB. 56 days later, 236% profit. $1,000 in would have made you a profit of $2,364 and would have notified you at the right time to sell. And more importantly, not take a 34% loss. There you go. Links in the description below. Pick it up. Okay. So what am I talking about? When is it going to end? Okay. So now I'm talking about this right here, that move down. When is it going to end? Okay. So we're going to break that down for you. I'm going to cover everything you need to know here. So again, like right now, SHIB's ranked number 11, $15 billion market cap. Okay, so you need to understand what's going on in the macro market to understand when is it going to end? When is Shiba Inu going to stop bleeding and kind of start moving in the right direction? And that is answered by here, this highlighted text. If you want to pause the video for a minute and read this text, you're more than welcome to do so, but I'm going to explain it to you at a high level. What we are now in, remember, we have the Bitcoin halving coming around the April 20th. That is one of the biggest moments in crypto, happens approximately every 4 years, and it's going to happen next month. And this does have major impact on Shiba Inu. So again, bear with me, okay? Because I'm answering the question, when is the bleeding going to stop? It is answered in this highlighted blue text. So we are now in the quote, air quotes, danger zone as it relates to Bitcoin and its impact on Shiba Inu. See in the upper right-hand corner, see that blue circle right there, okay? And see how it's highlighting. You can see the blue box, and you see the tan box, and you see the red box. The tan box is the quote danger zone. Historically, that danger zone, we've seen Bitcoin move back 20 to 40% in that box, in that tan box right there, between the blue and the red box. Okay. And so that's the answer to the question. We've got this retrace possibility between now and the actual halving event, which comes up again April 28th, where historically 2020 we had a 20% move back, 2016 we had a 40% move back in this same type period leading into the Bitcoin halving. Okay, so let's now look at Bitcoin's chart. This is Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin is exactly the same kind of deal. From here to here, Bitcoin's given up 16%. Remember that chart, we were looking at a 20% to a 40% move down. Okay. So we're going to continue probably to see Bitcoin move down a little bit or move down and then start to consolidate. Shiba Inu will do the same thing. I want to show you something. Look at this chart. Look at the yellow lines. Look at the chart. That's Bitcoin. Look at the chart. That's Shiba Inu. Don't they look familiar? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. SHIB moves along with Bitcoin. I've said this a million times in a million videos. That's how this happens. So when Bitcoin levels out and stops this retrace, that's when the bleeding for Shiba Inu is going to be done. Okay. What's the perfect time to buy Shiba Inu on the bounce here? When is the perfect time to buy SHIB? Well, guess what? My software, my trading indicator will give you insight into that. So if pick it up for yourself, try it for 30 days for free, really, because you got that guarantee. And then again, $1 a day. Isn't $1 a day worth it to you to know the best times to buy? Look at this Solana chart. Let me hit the database again. Look at this Solana chart. From this buy alert all the way to where we're at right now, that's a 800% move up in 186 days. To give you some perspective, $2,000 of Solana bought 186 days ago, you would have made a profit of 16 grand off of a $2,000 buy. And yes, there's been buy and sell alerts along the way, but the aggregate is an 800% move up. It's in that blue box right there. Okay. So I'm just trying to tell you, yes, it's my software. Yes, I make money if you buy it, but don't begrudge me if it works. And by the way, it works. Thousands of people are using this every single day to get an added advantage, added edge over the market. Okay. By the way, thank you page looks like this. After you join, there's 8 videos. You're up and running in less than 10 minutes. You can set alerts sent to your phone, tells you when to buy, when to sell any and all cryptos that are out there that you care about. Okay. That's all I got for you in this video. Take care. Have a good one. Thank you for your support. See you. Bye.